Okay, this is for the third assignment. This also is based on similar lines what you did in the last assignment, which is assignment number 2. Now it goes like this. A bill has line items. Minimum 1 atom should be there, and maximum any number of atoms can be there in the bill. Every line item has item name, item price per unit, quantity bought, and subtotal. The subtotal can be computed from price per unit and quantity. The bill also has grand total. The grand total can be calculated by adding all the subtotals. If this is the case, then you will be identifying the nouns, you will be identifying the verbs, and you will be identifying the relationship among the classes which you identify. Now I'll show you directly how you are supposed to draw the class diagram. So for drawing the class diagram, you have the Umlet as the tool, right? So before that, let's go ahead with what all nouns will be there. So you have to identify the nouns. So bill is one noun, line atom is another noun, item name is third noun, item price per unit and quantity are the next nouns. Then subtotal is one more noun. Then the subtotal can be computed from the price per unit and the quantity. How? Via a product, or no, not via, computed from the price per unit, computed as the product of the price per unit and quantity. The bill also has a grand total. The grand total can be calculated by adding all the subtotals. So calculated by adding all the subtotals. So you have subtotal can be computed as one phrase, and grand total can be calculated as another phrase. Now you will find that grand total belongs to which class? Grand total belongs to sum class, which you need to find out, and the subtotal belongs to one more class which you need to find out. Now you have to draw the class diagram. Class diagram which you draw, you have to paste it here. You have to paste the class diagram means you have to paste the image of the class diagram, right? Image of the class diagram, which can be JPEG or PNG, any, right? Okay, so image of the class diagram is something which you need to store. Then after you do the class diagram, you need to write the code you need to write the code. For the code writing, the hints are define classes, class or classes in separate files, test the classes in separate class, having a main method. Do not name the test class as main. This is not a good practice. Okay, so that's about it. Then let me stop.